So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the designer mode, and then I'm going to generate out an image. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say generate an image of a dog eating some noodles right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around and press enter. Then we need to go around and wait for a while. And then it says, I'll create that for you right here. So now once that is done, it'll go around and generate out an image. So it says the image is generating, as you can see right here, and in a while the image will be generated. So over here you can see that this is the image right here. You can even see the dog holding the chopsticks right here, just like this. And as I click, you can see this particular image right here, dog eating noodles, as you can see right here, just like this. So now you can see that I got variation of this particular images right here, and it is by a designer, as you can see right here. So now what you can do is you can of course save and download this out right here, but another option that you have is customize right here. Once you go around onto customize, then what happens is that it takes it out onto Microsoft Designer, as you can see right here. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Designer and how to create different designs using it, you can check out my playlist regarding Microsoft Designer as well. So let me just go around over here, and whatever I actually created in the image creator over here is brought into Microsoft Designer right here, and you can further edit this out according to how you want, as you can see right here. Like you can go around, turn it into a picture, like as you can see right here. You can go around add backgrounds, and then let's say, for example, work around with the background according to how you like, and so forth, and then work around with different designs as you like, just like this as well. So that is how you can open up the design graphics, that is generated graphics, inside of Microsoft Designer as well. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.